Hey, it's Mike Bast with the Driven Real Estate team here at Pikes Peak Dream Homes. And as you can see, we have a new logo for the Driven Real Estate team, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So make sure to tell me what you think in the comment section below of our new logo for the Driven Real Estate team. All right, on today's video, I want to talk in detail, at least a little more detail than I usually do, about Chappa and Turnkey. A friend of mine asked me to talk a little more specific about these programs. But before I get into that, let's go over the weekly market update. VA and FHA rates again came in at 2.25% this week, and conventionals came in at 2.99%. Now, don't forget, if you or someone you know is a first-time home buyer, don't forget to look into Chappa or Turnkey for down payment assistance. All right, we saw 504 residential listings sell in the last 7 days. 233 new ones came onto the market. There were 589 residential listings that went pending or under contract in the last 7 days. Only one pre-foreclosure was filed out at the trustee's office, and there were 130 price reductions. All right, so Chappa, or Colorado Housing and Finance Authority. This program can be used with all of the different lending programs: conventional, FHA, VA, or USDA. Now, you will need a minimum credit score of 620 to qualify for Chappa, and you will be required to take a homebuyer class in order to qualify for it as well. Now, you can get Chappa in two different ways. The first is a silent second mortgage, all right, that you don't have to make any payments on it. You don't have to, it doesn't accrue any interest, nothing like that. Or you can get a grant that you don't have to pay back. Now, you're asking, well, why would I want to do one or the other? Well, the silent second is 4% of the loan amount, and the grant is 3% of the loan amount. So it's kind of up to you and your situation on whether or not you want to pay back that silent second when you go to sell the property or refinance it, or just take the lump sum of the grant money. Now, don't forget there is a 1% origination fee, so it does cost a little more to use these programs, but for people that are low on cash and want to become a homeowner, these are great opportunities to get that extra money to qualify for a house. Now, with Chappa, the interest rate doesn't change. Like with regular interest rates, it changes depending on your credit score, but with Chappa, it's always going to be the same no matter what your credit score is. Okay, you just have to have a 620 or better. Now, El Paso Turnkey. Now, Turnkey is good for conventional FHAs, VAs, and USDAs as well, but you can only use Turnkey in El Paso County. The homebuyer class is recommended and only required for conventional loans. Everybody else, it's only recommended. But with Turnkey, you need a 640 credit score or better in order to qualify for Turnkey. The debt-to-income ratio limit is different than Chappa. It's up to 5% of the loan amount and half of the second. So it is actually a second mortgage, a silent second, okay? Half of the silent second is forgiven after 5 years. And if you actually go the full 30 years on the mortgage, it'll be completely forgiven. And the other thing about it, too, that one of my lender friends said to tell you is a no non-occupant cosigner. So you can't, if you're young and you're looking to have your parents co-sign on a house for you, you can't use this program, because anybody that is going for Turnkey, everybody has to live in the house as their primary residence. So it is a silent second only option, and of course with this one too, it's a 1% origination fee as well, it looks like. So look, if you or somebody you know has any questions about Chappa or Turnkey, feel free to give me a call on my personal cell at 719-229-1481. And they can call with any other real estate needs they may have as well. And as always, thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you next Thursday.